Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 7. This is Miss Samreen, your science teacher. I have told you in my last lecture, living things are made up of cells. Cells and cells of similar structure group together to form tissue. Tissues of similar functions group together to form an organ. For example, in human being there are many organs are present like brain, protected under skull, heart, lungs, stomach, these two bean shaped kidneys, these are large intestine, and here small intestine, pancreas, liver, and it is a lungs, right? Okay. Every organ has its own specific function. Every organ can perform one or more function. For example, it is a brain. It is protected under skull, and it has two parts. The left part of the brain controls the right parts of the body, and the right part of the brain controls the left part of the body. It controls all the activities of the body. It controls thought, memory, and emotion. Brain has two types of cells. Brain has two types of tissues. Brains form by the main types of tissues of brain are nerve tissues and connective tissues. Now, heart. The function of heart is to pump the blood around the body. Heart collects deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body, send it to lungs. Exchange of gases takes place. Blood release carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen. Now the blood converted into oxygenated blood. After oxygen, blood called oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood goes back to heart, and from heart it pumps to all parts of the body. Heart is made up of muscles tissue and connective tissues, mainly cardiac tissues. Now, lungs. The function of lung is to enable gaseous exchange to take place between the body and the external environment. It absorbs oxygen from outer environments. This oxygen absorbed into blood, and blood release carbon dioxide into lungs, and this carbon dioxide goes out into external environment. There are two lungs, and the lungs are made up of muscles tissue and connective tissues. Now, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.